Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well, happy, and healthy. Today is which day? Today is a Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. And how many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. आज हम नंबर्स करने वाले हैं, वो भी हमारी पिंक बुक के अंदर. Which book? In the pink book. So take out your pink book, children, and open page number 1333. Lesson 1. Have fun. Rhyme. Sing along with action. Then fill in the correct numbers in the boxes. Snowflakes. One little snowflakes. One little snowflakes. Thinking of what to do. Thinking of what to do. Down fell another. Down fell another. And then they were two. And then they were two. One. Number 2. Two little snowflakes. Two little snowflakes. Laughing on the tree. Laughing on the tree. Down fell another. Down fell another. And then they were three. And then they were three. Three little snowflakes. Three little snowflakes. Lying on the floor. Lying on the floor. Down fell another. Down fell another. And then they were four. Four little snowflakes. Four little snowflakes. Dancing a jive. Dancing a jive. Down fell another. And they were five. And then they were five. Five little snowflakes. Five little snowflakes. Having so much fun. Having so much fun. Out peeped the sun. Out peeped the sun. And then they were none. Children, now take out your pencil and write numbers. One little snowflake. Thinking of what to do. Down fell another and they were two. Two little snowflakes. Laughing on the tree. Down fell another and they were three. Three little snowflakes lying on the floor. Down fell another and they were four. They were four. Four little snowflakes dancing a jive. One fell another and they were five. Five little snowflakes. Five little snowflakes. Having so much fun. Out peeped the sun. And they were none. So complete your exercise. Children, now time for action song. हमारी प्रायम थी snowflakes. क्या थी? Snowflakes. तो अब हम एक्शन करेंगे. One little snowflake. One little snowflake. Thinking of what to do. Thinking of what to do. Down fell another. Down fell another. And there were two. And then there were two. Two little snowflakes. Two little snowflakes. Laughing on the tree. Laughing on the tree. Down fell another. Down fell another. And there were three. And then there were three. Three little snowflakes. Three little snowflakes. Lying on the floor. Lying on the floor. Down fell another. Down fell another. And there were four. snowflakes. 4 little snowflakes dancing a jive, dancing a jive. Down fell another, down fell another, and then they were 5, and then they were 5. 5 little snowflakes, 5 little snowflakes, having so much fun, having so much fun. Out peeped the sun, out peeped the sun, then they were none, and then they were none. Children, now turn your page and open page number 134. How much do you remember? Means पिछले टर्म में हमने कहाँ तक नंबर्स किए थे? 1 to 9 and 0. और नोटबुक के अंदर नंबर 1 to 10. There is a one picture of garden. Children are playing. Dog is also there. Butterflies are flying. Flowers, bushes, tall tree and short tree, swing and seesaw. ये था हमारा पिक्चर रीडिंग. सबसे पहले हमको पिक्चर रीडिंग करना है कि पिक्चर कौन सा है. ये पिक्चर के अंदर कौन से और पिक्चर है और उसके कलर्स, उसकी साइज यानी स्मॉल है, बिग है, इसका शेप ट्रायंगल है, सर्कल है, बॉयज हैं, गर्ल्स हैं, एनिमल्स हैं, फ्लावर्स, लॉन. इसके अंदर क्या है और उसका कलर कौन सा है. सबसे पहले हमको उसको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. उसको हम पिक्चर रीडिंग बोलेंगे. तो ये पिक्चर एक पार्क का है यानी गार्डन है. तो यहाँ से हम ऑब्जर्वेशन शुरू करेंगे. तो सबसे ऊपर क्या है चिल्ड्रन? क्लाउड्स. क्या है? क्लाउड्स. फिर उसके बाद there are trees. और ये bushes है. seesaw, swing. ये क्या है? झूला. boy and girl are playing with ball. Boy, cap, shoes. Girl, butterflies. Flowers, red flower, white flowers, purple flower, blue flower. और एक butterfly, one more butterfly, और one girl and other flowers. One puppy is running after a boy. तो ये था हमारा पिक्चर टॉक अबाउट अ पार्क, अ गार्डन. अभी हमें उसको काउंट भी करना है क्योंकि ये नंबर्स है. Children, there is an exercise. Count orally how many of the following are there in the picture given above. यहाँ पे पिक्चर्स दिए हैं. हमको ऊपर बड़े पिक्चर के अंदर पूरे सीन के अंदर से देखना है कि कितने हैं. तो हमारा क्या हुआ एक्सरसाइज? counting. First picture is a puppy. Paw, paw, paw. It's a dog. चलो अभी हम देखते हैं यहाँ पे कितने puppies हैं. Is there a puppy? No. Okay. मिल गया. तो कितने हैं? Only one. तो हम उसको सर्कल करते हैं. वन पपी. यहाँ पे लिखा नहीं है फिर भी हम राइटिंग कर देते हैं. पपी के नीचे हम लिख देते हैं वन. नंबर वन. चिल्ड्रन नाउ इट्स अ पिक्चर ऑफ सीसॉ. चलो तो ढूंढते हैं कहाँ पे है. ये रहा. वो कितने हैं? हाउ मेनी? One and two. Circle. One, two. How many seesaws? Two. Seesaw. Up and down. Which is the way to London town? One foot up, one foot down. This is the way to London town. ये कौन है? Butterfly. Let's count. यहाँ पे है No. ये रहा. One, two, three, four. How many butterflies, children? Four butterflies. Four butterflies. Now what is next? Cloud. What is next? Cloud. How many clouds? One, two, three, and four. How many clouds? Four clouds. Four. Number four. और ये क्या है? Tree. One, two, three, four, and five. How many trees are there in a picture? Five trees. Five. One puppy. Two seesaws. Four butterflies. Four clouds. And five trees. तो ये चिल्ड्रन ये हमने काउंटिंग किया जो बुक के अंदर हमको एक्सरसाइज में पूछा था. उसके अलावा भी अंदर क्या है उसको भी हम काउंट करते हैं. चिल्ड्रन. So how many children? One, two, three, four, and five. Five children are in the garden. How many girls are there? One, two, and three. Say there are three girls. And how many boys? One and two. Say there are two boys. How many swing? One swing. There is a swing. There is one swing. Let's count flowers. One, two, three, four, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 1, 11. And 1, 2, 12. Children, say there are 12 flowers in the garden. Children, हो गया हमारा ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किल शीट, जिसके अंदर हमने ऑब्जर्व किया एक पूरे पिक्चर को। उसके अंदर कौन से और ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, कौन से पिक्चर्स हैं, उनका शेप कैसा है, साइज कैसी है, फ्लावर्स है, बॉय है, गर्ल है, और वो सब का हमने काउंटिंग कर लिया। तो इसको हम पिक्चर टॉक कहते हैं, और उसके साथ हमने काउंटिंग भी कर दिया। तो हमारा ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किल सीट इज ओवर।